I get asked all the time, Shelley, what teleprompter software do you use when you're recording all of your video content? The answer, I don't. I don't use one. I use this instead. This is literally a Word document printed out and taped to my screen just underneath the camera. It's low tech, it's free, and honestly, it works so much better than a scrolling app. When you use a teleprompter app, your eyes are constantly chasing scrolling text, and it can make you look like a deer in headlights. I see so many business owners getting stuck because they think they need the £200 teleprompter or the perfect recording software before they can record. You don't. You don't need more cables. If you have a message, a printer, some sellotape, and Zoom, you are ready to record. So stop letting the tech tangle you up. Tape your script up, hit record, and get your message out there. And if you want more no nonsense strategies and tips to help you grow your business without the tech headaches, make sure that you subscribe to the channel.